It's Four-Wheel Drive, Toyota Owner Magazine. We're coming back doing a re-review of Leitner's active cargo system. This is an update. We've done an article on this and we've used this for years now. I just wanted to do some updates on key little things that I thought were pretty important and how this thing was put together and how it works. So just to give you an overview, this is the probably one of the original designs that they put out on the market. To start up front, you know, hey, we got the cargo boxes. They open up. There's there we go. Holds the lid open. Keep our gear in there. I got tie downs and whatnot. In here, we got rubber gasket. Keeps everything inside dry. And believe me, here in Oregon, it rains a lot. So that is a necessity. It does a great job. These boxes hook on to the back using this rail system, and these bolts, they slide into the L of the system, and there's one on the outside and there's one on the inside, and I can take this box and I can move it down and reposition it anywhere. Same thing with these plates. These are mounting plates that Leitner comes up with, and you can see there's plenty of holes, and it's designed for a multitude of different things. I got these quick grips on there to hold an axe, my shovel on there, and I've never had a problem with that one of all the miles of trail that we've been doing. Leitner also sells the high lift mount, so you can lock it, so I don't have to worry about someone stealing it in the middle of the night. Stays on there. I've never lost anything off of that as well. Now, what I love about this modular system is how he designed this. And this is a rail where you put bolts in, and the nuts that hold everything on there, you can move it. And you can position it anywhere you want. Here's a nice, you can see the track system where the bolts go in there. These T-bolts go in there. And the top one, it's all four sides. It's on top, it's on the inside, it's on the bottom. Left to your own imagination as to how far you want to take this. All right, so a couple of the biggest pieces of his design is this right here. This is the cross member. It goes across and holds the thing over the top. And you can see there's one in the front as well as one in the back. But the neatest feature is you take these, you loosen them up, okay? And this thing slides forward out of the way so you can put your motorcycle in the back without having the cross member in the way. That was a key piece and big key piece to design on this one. And it's because of this system. He's got a new design now. It's very slick, but this is the older design where this piece here actually holds the weight and keeps this thing from moving around, and it's always been solid. Even when that cross member is slid all the way forward, it's still solid. It doesn't go anywhere. The gear you can put on top is immense. I've got my own design hammock rack system up there. Basically, I stick a hammock across from one pole to the next, and those fold down to a nice neat little package, so I'm really compact and moving around. I don't have any trouble. I set it up for the night, sleep in my hammock, never have to worry about setting up somewhere, and I sleep well in a hammock. All right, so the other pieces is I designed these holders. I wanted to put some other optional things out of the way. I didn't want them in the back of my rig. I made them just perfect for the water jug, as well as like a 5-gallon bucket. They'll fit side-by-side jerry cans. Anyway, I designed that and made that. But the way I could put it on there is just amazing, because these little T-bolts, again, I'm able to put it in there, slide it around, attach it just about any way I wanted. And I attached them up at the top as well. It's just great. So then you can start attaching other things on there. Like I got this pole holder because I need to tie pieces of my hammock. Grab my pole, put it into my pole holder. Now, this pole sticks out and I can tie my sides to the hammock right there. It allows me to bring out the sides so I can get in and out comfortably. So that's what's so great about his design. You can modulate these things any way you want. Again, I got, you know, gear in here, got my tow strap, some jumper cables and other whatnots for recovery here. Stays locked, safe, and waterproof. Oh, he's got these guys. He sells these guys so you can attach lights up on the side. And so when I'm working in the night, I just switch on my lights. I can see everything. Been really happy. It's fabulous design. The fact that it's made of aluminum and the whole rack system only weighs 70 pounds allows me to take even more gear with me. All right. So that's kind of a wrap up of the Leitner's active cargo system, and I gotta tell you, we're here at the magazine, have been enjoying it for years. Guarantee you, you do one as well, you're gonna enjoy it.